In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your Amazon wishlist via QR code or social media. There's no built-in Amazon feature to generate a QR code directly from your wishlist, but you can accomplish this easily with a few additional steps. In this guide, I'll walk you through how to get your wishlist share link, create a QR code from that link using a third-party generator, and share it with friends or followers in various ways, such as social media or printing it out. So, let's get started. First, you'll need to get the share link for your Amazon wishlist. To do this, log into your Amazon account and navigate to Account and Lists. From here, click on Your Lists. You should see a selection of lists you've created. Pick the wish list you want to share. Once you have your list open, look for the option that says Send List to Others, or it might appear as Invite or Share. When you click this, you should be given an option to copy a link. Make sure that when you're sharing the list, you select View Only, unless you want to give others the ability to edit it, which is usually not recommended unless you're collaborating. Now that you have your shareable link, the next step is to generate a QR code. You can use a variety of QR code generator sites available online. For instance, Replug, myqrcode.com, or RecodeQR are great places to start. Simply paste your Amazon wishlist link into one of these tools. If you want some flexibility down the line, consider using a generator like RecodeQR that offers dynamic QR codes. This means you can change the URL that the QR code points to even after it's been created without having to make a new code. Once you've generated the QR code, you might have options to customize it. Maybe you want to change the color or the style to suit your aesthetic or personal branding. When you're satisfied with how it looks, go ahead and download it. You'll usually have the option to download in formats like PNG or SVG, which are versatile for different uses. Before sharing your QR code, do a quick test. Scan it with your phone to ensure it opens your Amazon wishlist as you intended. It's a good way to ensure everything works seamlessly for those you'll be sharing it with. Finally, it's time to share your wishlist link or QR code. You can copy the Amazon wishlist link and simply post it on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, or WhatsApp. For the QR code image, consider more visual methods. You can upload it to Instagram or Facebook stories, or include it in emails or printed invitations. If you opted for a dynamic QR code using a service like Replug, you have the added benefit of being able to update the destination of your QR code if you decide to alter or replace your wish list in the future. And that's it. Now you know how to share your Amazon wishlist using QR codes or directly on social media, making it easier than ever for family and friends to see what you're wishing for.